So in this video we're gonna see if ceramic tint actually reduces the heat inside your car. So this car currently has no tint on it. We're gonna park it outside for at least 30 minutes. It's 12:30 and it's 88 degrees outside. We're gonna check the temperature in the front two seats and then the rear seats after 30 minutes.
Later.
Alright guys, so it's been a little over 30 minutes, so let's take the temperature inside the front two seats and the rear seats. So the driver's side is 105, passenger is 120, 113, 110. Rear seats 108, 105. Okay, so we took the temperature of all the seats. They were all above 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Next step is we're gonna get the ceramic tint done, do the experiment again, and see if there's a reduction in heat inside the car.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, so as you can see, we got the car tinted. Earlier I said this car has no tint, but we found out all Mercedes come with a very light 70% tint. So we're gonna leave this parked outside. It's about 88 degrees. We're gonna leave this parked outside for at least 30 minutes and then come back and check the temperature inside the seats. Alright guys, it's been 30 minutes, so let's check if there's a difference. Front seat is 91, 93, back seats 89 and 91. Okay guys, so in conclusion, if you live in a hot area like Southern California, ceramic tint does make a huge difference, especially in protecting the interior of your car and keeping you cool during the hot summer days. Also, the tint guy said most of the heat that goes in your car is from the front windshield, so you can get a clear ceramic tint for your front windshield if you don't want a shade of black. The clear is a very good choice to go with. Shout out to Robert's Tint Shop for doing a great job. I'll leave his Instagram and his information in the description below.